Oh my gosh. Hello friends, let's talk about Fami, F-A-M-I here, ticker for this one. We've been talking about Fami for quite a while, obviously. I made a short today talking about Fami, just trying to get people kind of up to date what's going on. Not a lot of new news, but this could be the last week, hopefully, fingers crossed, praying right now on our knees that we see this slow volume in Fami. Now, right now, Fami has just taken another repeat customer, which, I mean, this is good. If you're up to date with what Fami is doing here, then obviously you know pretty much every week to 2 weeks they are capturing these new clients, which this is positive news. I mean, it's good, it's not bad, it's just not really doing anything for the stock. Now, with this last one, Fami did release a newsletter, and they actually said something a little different, so that's why we're going to kind of go over it here. They simply said, we are seeing a higher level of customer activity from this. We are seeing a higher level of customer activity than is typical for this time of year, as positive demand tailwinds from last year continue into 2022. So, you can read the rest. It's not groundbreaking news, but it is still positive news. But this has been the same story here we've seen with Fami here, that we've had a lot of positive news, but we've not had a lot of positive movement. Now, obviously, on June 5th and especially June 7th here, we had a nice little move up, but since then we have not seen more. And obviously, since then the market has crashed. And today was just another repeat of the market really going nowhere. And Fami is just following suit. We are losing steam, and we're right around this 22-cent zone. Now, we've been here before with Fami. We've seen this before. Now, around 2 weeks ago, when we were at this level, we had a massive shoot up to that 26 cents mark. Now, going into next week, going into the last week of this year, especially going into the first week of February, we are expecting to start to see some report of quarterlies come out here. This should be happening very soon. They really should have already happened, but it's not happening. And that little letter right there that Fami just released, they're obviously saying this because they're trying to get positive news out there about the company, about the stock. They are on a time crunch right now to get this stock to at least $1 minimum for 10 consecutive days here. This is the next big step we need to see. Obviously, people are wanting to get this to $1 for them as investors, but obviously we're wanting this to get to $1 so we don't lose anything in a reverse split here down the road. So friends, as of right now with Fami, the past month we've been seeing a lot of articles come out saying, you need to watch Fami, you need to watch this penny stock, something looks like it could be brewing and it could explode here soon. Well, we've been saying that for a long time now, and I think everybody is at the, we've already been at the end of our rope. We are literally at the end of our rope, standing on ground right now, waiting for something to happen. But to wrap this up, that's what we're waiting on right now. We're waiting on the waiting. We're waiting on the quarterlies, we're waiting on news, and that's really what we're sitting at right now with Fami here. So friends, until something breaks here, until something happens, listen, me personally, me as an individual, as an investor, I'm still bullish that something could possibly happen here. I really am. I've seen this kind of stuff happen before. Does that mean it's gonna happen? No, of course it doesn't mean it's gonna happen. But could it happen? Yeah, this is stock market. Anything's possible. There's no rules. This could go to 15 cents tomorrow, or it could go to 50 cents tomorrow. That's the fun of the situation we're in right now with this penny stock. So friends, with all that said, remember, be positive, be you, take time to invest in your future. Friends, I will talk to you very soon. Best of luck in the market, and we will talk again real soon about Fami here. Bye, friends.